We are on the simple assignment operator and complex assignment operator. In simple assignment operator, we are passing a equals to 5, and in complex assignment operator, we pass a plus equals to b. And if I write a plus equals to b, that means a is equals to a plus b. That is a complex assignment operator. The simple assignment operator and complex assignment operator. Simple assignment operator is operator, it is used to assign a value to a variable. Complex assignment operator are also known as arithmetic assignment operator, or you can say it is called as the shorthand for their equivalent long term. Shorthand notation for a long term value. The types of complex assignment operator, one is plus equals to, it is used to add the two number, then assign the result to a variable. Minus equals to, it is used to subtract the two number, assign the result to a variable. Multiplication equals to, it is used to multiply the two number, assign the result to a variable. Division equals to similar way, then modulo equals to. That is called as the assignment operator. Plus equals to, minus equals to, multiplication equals to, division equals to, and modulo equals to. Next, we are going to check for the comparison operator. The comparison operator are used to compare the two value. It perform an action on the basis of result of that comparison. Whenever you use the comparison operator, the expression result is a boolean value, true or false. Means you have to compare two value. आप दो value को compare करोगे, फिर वो आपको display करेगा either true or false. Whenever you use the comparison operator, the expression result the boolean value true or false. Like, what are the comparison operator we are using? Less than, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to, equals to, and not equals to. So these are the comparison operator we are using. Less than, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to, equals to, and another is not equals to. So this is a comparison operator we are using. There is another operator we are using, that is called as the instance of operator, and basically this instance of operator operation we can go through it when we are going to cover the inheritance chapter. But basically this operator is checking for what? It's checking whether your class object, whether the two object is referencing to the same class or not. If two object referencing to the same class, then instance of operator it gives you true value. Okay, means whether the two object, like in the example if you see here, यहाँ पर मैंने ये जो एग्जाम्पल में मैंने XYZ क्लास का I ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया, फिर XYZ क्लास का J ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया. तो इट विल चेक दैट वेदर द टू ऑब्जेक्ट I और J जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो सेम क्लास को रेफरेंस दे रहे कि नहीं. अगर सेम क्लास को रेफरेंस देंगे, देन you can say like the instance of operator it gives you true value. Okay, if two object is referencing to the same class, then instance of operator it gives you the true, or else it gives you the false. Okay, समझ में आया है बोला?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
भाईजान?
Yes, sir.
Then next comes to the logical operator. In logical operator, we are using three logical operator. One is your AND, which is programmatically represented double ampersand. So in AND operator, what is the work? So that is basic important. So it is evaluate the two statement. It is evaluate the two statement like true, true, it return you true. If both the statement are true, it return you true. Then if I write here true, false, it will return you false. If I write here false, false, return you false. Means if your both the condition are false, it return you false. In the case of OR operator, if true, true, return you true, true, false, it returns you true. Then false, false, return you false. It is in the case of OR operator. If I pass here,
Sir, in false and two cases,
in
false and true.
false, true is false. In OR case, false, true is true. In AND case, it is false. If any one condition is false in AND, it return you false. If any one condition is false in the case of OR operator, it return you true. Okay, मतलब किसी एक कंडीशन अगर आपका सही होगा तो और केसेस में आपको ट्रू दिखाएगा. किसी एक कंडीशन भी अगर आपका गलत होगा इन एंड तो इट इज रिटर्न यू द फॉल्स. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Then now comes to the not operator. In the case of not operator, if true, then return you false. If false, then it is return you true. If true, then return you false. If false, then it is return you true. Is the work of your not operator. It is only evaluate to one condition. So you can say it is a logical operator that we are using. Another operator is present, which is called as the ternary operator. Ternary operator, basically it is used in this way. Just I'm giving you example. Then It is there. Ternary operator is there. So I'll discuss after the. Okay, so now comes to the unary operator. Unary operator that require one operand. So which operator that require only one operand is called as the unary operator? Like unary plus operator, unary minus operator, plus plus operator, minus minus operator, logical complement operator. So if you write here plus a, that means a is a positive number. If you write minus a, it represents you, it is a negative operator. So this operator plus minus plus plus, if you write plus plus, then it is increment the value of a variable as 1. If you write minus minus, it is a decrement the value. Invert the value means it is, if it is plus, then it is showing you minus. If it is minus, then it is showing you plus. Now check here. If you write plus plus a, it is increment the value of a variable. If your a value is 5, then what is the value of a? So it is showing you 6. Okay. Now you have to tell me one question, an answer here. If your a value is 5 and if you write b is equals to plus plus a, then now tell me what is the value of a and what is the value of b. Ankita, tell me.
Sir, A value 5, B value 6.
A value is 5, B value is 6. Are Ankita ko?
Yes, sir, same answer.
Same answer. And Abhishek, Faizan, क्या होगा बोलो? Is a tricky question. It comes in the exam. So when you write b is equals to plus plus a, what it means? Plus plus a means it is increment the value of a value to 1. Means first increment, first increment, then display. So first you have to increment, then you have to display. Okay, that means if you write here a equals to 5 and you write b equals to plus plus a, it is increment the value of a. First it is increment the value of a. So a is 6. So when a is 6, then b is automatically 6. Got it? So if your a,
Yes, sir.
a value is 5 and after writing this statement b is equals to plus plus a, first increment then display. Now I comes to the another part. If a is equals to 5, b is equals to a plus plus, then now tell me what is the value of a and what is the value of b here.
Sir, in this case, A equal to 5, B equal to 6.
A is 5, B is 6. Any other answer? It means what? First display then increment. First display which value? So B is equals to A. What is the value of A? A is 5. Now it is printing you B is 5. First display. Then increment. Which value to increment? A value is increment. Now A is 6. Okay. First display then increment. So when it is display, B is equals to A. So B is equals to A means your A value is 5. So it is showing you B is 5. Then it is increment. When it is increment the value of A. When it is increment the value of A plus plus, it is 6. Got it? Bujhala?
Yes, sir.
That is the subtype part.
Yes, sir.
It will come in the exam. Okay. So you remember this part. Okay. Okay. So in the next class we cover other operators. Okay. Then some program of this type of operators. Okay. And we move to if type permit tomorrow. Then we go for the how to package creation. Okay. So install your software. If you found any kind of difficulty, then let me know. I will rectify that thing. Okay. And if you don't have, you come to the center or you come to my home also. You can do the practicals. Okay. So bye bye.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.